Welcome to the Uppercut Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today, how y'all want it, we doing po' boys. So, without further ado, let's make some bad life choices. Po' boys and remoulade. We're gonna need a few things, yeah? So, first thing we need, fresh oysters, shrimp, hoagie rolls, cilantro, or celery, tomatoes, basil, lemon juice, cayenne, paprika, black pepper, celery, parsley, green onions, along with sea salt and white wine vinegar and a little bit of mustard. And with all those magical things, we're gonna make happiness, which is making our remoulade. We're gonna do this first because it takes about an hour for it to settle. So the first thing we're gonna do is clear off our table a little bit here. And now what we're gonna do is get a few of our Italian parsley. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dice all this down. Again, try to just get the top itself. Slice all that off. And you're gonna go ahead and just get a rough chop going. It's not really important how you chop this one right now. You just wanna dice it down a little bit because all you're gonna do, put it in the blender. Just like that. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna get some of our celery. And we're gonna go ahead and dice these up real quick. You're gonna take the tops off, just like that. Then come in half. One more time, just like that. All up in your blender. Boom. And last but not least, we're gonna go for the green onion. So you wanna get the roots off these bad boys on the bottom. Just like that. A little rough chop. And go ahead. Throw them in your blender. After that, we're gonna add a few more things. Just a little bit. Again, we're gonna do rough cut like that. Take your basil, and now we're gonna get loud. We're gonna go ahead and throw everything in our blender. So what we're gonna do now is blend it to like a nice puree. So let's go ahead and give it a quick blend. Cayenne, we're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of that. You're gonna add paprika, about 3 teaspoons. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. And you're gonna do that to taste. So we're gonna add too much salt. And then we're gonna add our pepper. So, add just a good amount of pepper right there. And we're gonna give it another good blend, like this. And now what we're gonna start doing is adding our liquid. So the first thing you wanna do is get your apricot or white wine vinegar. Add about 2 or 3 capfuls, so maybe a tablespoon. And then you want to add your lemon juice. Again, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And when you do this, you want to go ahead and take the cap off your blender. So now you're gonna put your cap back on, and you're gonna blend. Now we finished our remoulade. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for about an hour. And let that rest and let that all the flavor meld together. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the fun part, oysters. So now we're gonna try to chuck an oyster. This is gonna be a little tricky because we don't have a shucking knife. But you can use a butter knife and or spoon. So what we're gonna do now we got it slightly pried, we're gonna try using the spoon. We're gonna go ahead and put them in our fryer. Get them ready to go. As you see, our fryer is really ready to rip. So we're done. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna fry them for maybe it's gonna be fairly easy. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the oyster. So again, flour, egg, and then back to the bag of goodies. We're gonna do that until all Our shrimp is done. So after hard work and dedication, there you go. A shrimp and oyster po' boy, outlaw style. Now make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll holla.
Hey, I see you watching. Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.